I am Marc, the General Manager of Santa Fe Shutters and Blinds. We've been the market leader for window treatments in New Zealand for the last 22 years. We proudly installed in over 200,000 homes in New Zealand, and we are proudly part of the Norman Group and fly the Norman banner. Our people are very much the heart of our business. We're very customer focused and we believe in relationships. So what makes Santa Fe so special? It's our unique selling points. We have the most customizable range in New Zealand. We focus on quality, innovation, technology, child safety. Our wide variety of products offer solutions to UV, privacy, and even thermal. We believe behind every installation is a home and a story. And it's a proud feeling to walk away from each home with a happy customer at the end of every day.